Tired of spending money on expensive window cleaners? Let's take a minute to consider the benefits of making your own. First, it's cost-effective. You can whip up a batch using common household ingredients, and it costs pennies on the dollar compared to store-bought brands. Second, it's eco-friendly. No harmful chemicals or single-use plastics. And third, it's non-toxic. You know exactly what's going into your cleaner, making it safer for your family and pets. So why not create your own window cleaner at home? It's simple, efficient, and affordable. For your DIY window cleaner, you only need a few household items. First up, distilled water. It's pure and free from minerals that can leave spots on your windows. Next, we have white vinegar, a natural disinfectant and deodorizer that cuts through grime. Lastly, a dash of dish soap to break down the dirt and leave your windows sparkling clean. So, just to recap, you'll need distilled water, white vinegar, and dish soap. These are all you need to make your very own window cleaner. Now, it's time to make your very own window cleaner. The recipe is simple and straightforward. First, grab a clean container. This will serve as your mixing bowl. Now, carefully measure out equal parts of distilled water and vinegar. That's 1 cup of each. The distilled water will help to dissolve any grime or dirt on your windows, while the vinegar, being an excellent natural cleaner, will add that extra sparkle. Next, add a drop of dish soap to your mixture. This helps to break down any stubborn smudges that might be on your windows. Stir the mixture well, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined. You want a uniform solution to ensure each spray delivers the same cleaning power. Lastly, carefully pour your homemade concoction into a spray bottle. This makes application a breeze and allows for easy storage. And voila! Your homemade window cleaner is ready to use. With these simple steps, you've created a cost-effective, eco-friendly solution to keep your windows spotless and sparkling. Now that you have your homemade window cleaner, it's time to put it to use. The application process is as straightforward as the making of this cleaner. Simply spray this solution generously onto your window. Then grab a microfiber cloth and start wiping. Why microfiber, you ask? Well, it's because microfiber cloths are super absorbent and they won't leave any lint behind, unlike some other materials. So your windows will be free of those annoying streaks and specks. The beauty of this DIY cleaner lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Not only does it leave your windows gleaming, but it also does so without any harsh chemicals. It's a win-win situation. You'll be surprised at how well this homemade solution works. It's quick, it's easy, and most importantly, it's cost-effective. Isn't it amazing how a simple DIY can save you money and keep your windows sparkling clean? Subscribe for more such easy DIYs.